Good morning. In the past video we done structure determination of morphine. In this video we are going to discuss structure determination of reserpine. Reserpine is second alkaloid. Reserpine is a second alkaloid. Reserpine have indole ring. Reserpine is an indole containing alkaloid. It is isolated from Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina. Rauwolfia serpentina or Rauwolfia vomitoria. Rauwolfia vomitoria plant. Rauwolfia serpentina is said to be Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha in Sanskrit. It is useful to treat, it is used to treat hypertension, headache and disorders of CNS, central nervous system. This is the introduction of reserpine. Reserpine is a indole consisting alkaloid. It is isolated from Rauwolfia serpentina or Rauwolfia vomitoria plant. Rauwolfia serpentina is said to be Sarpagandha in Sanskrit. Reserpine is used to treat hypertension, headache and disorders of CNS. CNS means central nervous system. Now let us see structure of reserpine. Reserpine have 6 rings. First ring is looks like this is anisole ring OCH3. Second ring is indole ring, indole. This is indole. Third ring have a nitrogen heteroatom that is fused with fourth ring. Fourth ring fused with fifth ring. Fifth ring have one side C double bond OCH3 ester linkage and ether linkage, and this side another ester linkage C double bond O. This is a benzene ring with 3 OCH3 groups OCH3, OCH3, OCH3. This is a structure of reserpine. Reserpine have 6 rings, ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 rings. Molecular formula for reserpine is C33 H40 N2 O9. O9. 2 nitrogens, 1, 2 nitrogens and 9 oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 oxygen. This is the structure of reserpine. Next let us see structure determination of reserpine. In the first step, let me calculate double bond equivalence, DBE, double bond equivalence. We already know double bond equivalence have a formula, that is X minus Y by 2 plus Z by 2 plus 1, where X is equal to number of carbon atoms. So number of carbon atoms are 33. Number of carbon atoms 33 in reserpine minus Y. Y means number of monovalent atoms. So number of monovalent atoms like hydrogens, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, etc. But in reserpine structure there is no halogen atoms. We have only hydrogens. So that's why let me calculate only hydrogens. Let me consider only hydrogens. So hydrogens are 40 divided by 2 plus Z is equal to number of trivalent atoms. In this structure we get only 2 nitrogen. Nitrogens are trivalent. So 2 by 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 20s. 1 plus 1 added to 33, result 35 minus 20. Result double bond equivalence is 15. From double bond equivalence we can calculate number of rings and number of double bonds. Number of rings are 6 rings. 6 rings in reserpine plus 9 double bonds. 9 double bonds. 6 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings already verified. And 9 double bonds, let me verify like first ring have 3 double bonds and the last ring, 6th ring have a 3 double bonds. 3 plus 3, 6. And indole have a 1, 7. C double bond will have a 1, 8. And another C double bond will have a 1. Totally 9 double bonds and 6 rings. This is the introduction, structure and double bond equivalence of reserpine. Then let us see nitrogen nature. Now let us see nature of oxygen. Oxygen nature. Reserpine molecular formula C33H40N2O9. Reserpine insoluble in aqueous NaOH. This is clearly indicating that reserpine either having a OH in the form of a phenolic or in the form of a secondary alcohol. So reserpine do not have phenolic OH or alcoholic OH, that is clearly indicated by this reaction. Simply reserpine insoluble in NaOH. If reserpine soluble in NaOH, that conclude reserpine have a OH group that may in the form of phenolic or in the form of alcoholic. But reserpine insoluble in aqueous NaOH, that is clearly indicating that reserpine do not have any OH groups. Next one, J-cell method. J-cell method is useful to calculate number of OCH3 groups. Simply reserpine C33H40N2O9 reserpine when treated with hydrogen iodide. So we already know reserpine have 5 OCH3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 OCH3 groups when treated with 5 hydrogen iodides result formation of simply 5 moles of CH3I. 5 moles of CH3I. Formation of 5 CH3I clearly indicating that reserpine have 5 OCH3. 5 OCH3 means 5 OCH3 ether linkages. The 5 OCH3 ether linkages. Therefore, 5 OCH3 ether linkages. It gives information about 5 OCH3 ether linkages. Then remaining 4 oxygens conformed by with the help of a next reaction. Reserpine undergoes basic or acidic hydrolysis. Basic hydrolysis or acidic hydrolysis. Simply you have to take a basic hydrolysis. Result reserpic acid plus methanol plus trimethoxy benzoic acid. Trimethoxy benzoic acid is looks like OCH3, then top carbon atom having COOH. Simply reserpine undergoes acidic hydrolysis or basic hydrolysis resulting reserpic acid, methanol, trimethoxy benzoic acid. Simply reserpic acid is looks like C double bond OCH3 undergoes hydrolysis process resulting CH3OH is eliminated, then the formation of C double bond OH. Next, in this side hydrolysis takes place here. the O group is converted into OH and the C double bond O group is converted into C double bond OH. Simply this is eliminates in the form of trimethoxybenzoic acid. Remaining this part is looks like reserpic acid. The reaction clearly indicating that reserpine have two ester linkages. This is a first ester linkage and this is a second ester linkage. Every ester linkage have a two oxygens. So in this structure we have a two ester linkages. Result 4 oxygens are conformed by ester linkages and remaining 5 oxygens are conformed by J-cell method. So J-cell method gives rise to 5 oxygens in the form of OCH3, and the next hydrolysis reaction clearly indicating that reserpine have a two ester linkages. Every ester linkage have a two oxygens. Result 4 oxygens. 4 plus 5 gives rise to 9. 9 oxygens are conformed. 5 are in the form of OCH3. Remaining 4 are in the form of ester. This is the oxygen nature. In the next video we will discuss nitrogen nature and the next stereochemistry of reserpine and stereochemistry of reserpic acid.